Robot Inspector is one of the most interactive and hands-on volunteer roles in the First Tech Challenge. Let's talk about it. Robot inspectors do most of their work at the beginning of a competition, leaving them some time to fulfill another volunteer role or work with teams later on. The goal of robot inspection is to make sure that robots are using legal parts, that they fit within the correct size, and that there are no safety issues. We do this using the robot inspection checklist, and while there is a checklist involved, many of the highly effective robot inspectors that I know use a very conversational, informal style when completing the robot inspection. It's an opportunity to chat with teams, ask them about how they built their robot, and celebrate their accomplishments. Robot inspection requires a certification test, and it's a role where things can change throughout the year as teams ask clarifying questions in the team Q&A. Robot inspection is very important, but much like field inspection, it's not really the goal of the inspector to be a rule enforcer. We don't want teams to have a competitive advantage, and we definitely want to avoid any safety issues, but the ultimate goal of robot inspection is to help teams succeed. You must be at least 13 years old to be a robot inspector. And I think this is a great role for coaches, engineering mentors, or even technically minded students. It's a perfect way to get the experience necessary to self-inspect your own robot before you get to the competition and know that you're going to pass with flying colors. It's also a great way to talk with a variety of teams and see all of the innovative solutions that they've come up with. If you're interested in the Robot Inspector volunteer role, I encourage you to check out the Robot Inspector manual and checklist to get started.